Hey YouTube, FrankBob62 here. Well, let's see, I'm sitting over here in front of one of the local, you know, hospitals here in town. I got one of my clients over here just doing his little checkup routine, getting to spend some time off the property today. Figure I'd make a little video post, and say hi to everybody. Let's see, today I am smoking my Meerschaum pipe I carved and trying to get that carb build up in it nice where I want it. But I can't smoke in company vans, so yeah, I'm gonna step out after this video and smoke it. But in it, I've got some Peter Stuckley's Luxury Twist, and let's see, or no, sorry, Samuel Gallett Luxury Twist today. My bad. Let's see. Winds are getting pretty bad over here in California right now. We got a storm system moving in. I had to buckle everything down at work and try to salvage what I could. But let me show you guys real quick what it's looking like over here. How do I turn my camera around? Well, I can't, so I'm gonna have to go this route. See that poor tree right there? Yep, it's a bad one out here today. You know, we got a storm system moving in. It's supposed to be starting raining around noon, but right now we've got 31 mile an hour winds when I checked this video, and the forecast is talking about anywhere from 40 to 70 mile an hour winds before this storm's over, and it's supposed to last a couple days. So scary. There at the lodge, I already seen one tree come down, and I'm worried about 3 or 4 more. So if anybody out there that prays and sees my video in the next couple days, keep me in your prayers, and I'll keep posted and let you guys know I'm okay, or not, hopefully. You know, you know what I mean. So, anyways, have a blessed day. Stay warm, stay safe, and keep your pipes lit. Happy smoking.